What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Canada. Hope everybody's doing well. Happy Tuesday. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently we're sitting at 24,188, down 0.32 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 459 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 28.46 billion. Let's hop into the charts. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So potentially what we're looking at is a leading diagonal, and we've broken down. So we may put in an ABC correction where we come down here in a wave A, and then you see a wave B pullback, and we see a final wave C. To put in that wave 2, that could bring you down to 22.8 or 21.6. But there is a bullish scenario that we have been talking about in previous videos where we had come up in a smaller wave 1. And this is a wave 2 pullback. So what we could be seeing here is a wave A, we have an overshooting wave B, and then we see a wave C, and we bounce from this target zone and put in a smaller wave 2, and then see continuation to the upside. If that does happen, I will go back to the previous analysis with the smaller wave count here. So those are basically the two options that I'm looking at here. The really bullish one is that we've already put in a wave A. This is an overshooting wave B, and we're right now finishing the wave C, which could bounce anywhere in between this yellow box at about 23K to about 24,000 for BTC. All right, guys, but we have broken down, lost this level of support of this symmetrical wedge pattern. So we do have a technical target down here of about 22.6K. So just keep that in mind as well. If we pop over to our next chart, we've also been watching this trend line of support. We do have a little bit of a rising wedge with the bearish divergence. So if we do come lower, guys, we can easily find support here and potentially see a bounce at about 23.3K. 23.3. Yeah, 23.3 actually lines up with this yellow box here. So potentially we could bounce from that level for BTC. If that trend line of support were to be lost, I don't think that would be a good signal in my opinion. We have been watching this ascending channel as well. As you can see, we're starting to come back down to the EMA. So pretty crucial that we hold it. Just about to have the bullish cross if we are going to see continuation to the upside. As I mentioned previously, in bear markets, we do have a bit of fake outs when we have the bullish cross of the EMAs. As you can see right here, we had the bullish cross, and then boom, we rolled over once again. We had the bullish cross right here, we rolled over once again. So I still think there's a high likelihood that this is a relief rally, and what you might see here is we might push up a little bit higher, push back up here to the 0.382, quite possibly the 0.5, and then begin to roll and put in a lower low. But if we do push up to those levels, as I mentioned, coins like Matic, Ethereum will be clearly invalidating a wave 4 pullback, so that could be an early sign that the bottom may be in. It's not what I'm expecting. I still think there's one more wave down, at least to like 13, 14K. Quite possibly your next strong level of support is down here at about 11 to about 13,000. But we'll have to see what happens. The market is always a leading indicator when the economy is going to turn around. The market will give signals of that first. So you also have to take that into consideration. All right, guys. In the short term, your levels to watch here, a potential bounce zone in between 23 to 24K for the more bullish wave count, or a potential wave 2 that could take you down here to about 21.7 to about 22.8K. We'll have to see what happens over the course of the week, and hopefully we get some sort of large move, whether it's to the upside or to the downside. Hopefully it happens this week, because during this sideways consolidation, there's quite a lot of boring price action, but that's the way it goes, especially in the bear market. So we'll give a big shout out to the Discord. I give my exact entries, exits, and take profits coming in at the $10 membership. We'll quickly open it up here. Hope you're well. Hope the pets are healthy. Haven't said that in a long time. If you don't have a pet, they bring a lot of joy to your life. I went down to take a shower today, and the cat was taking a nap in the laundry basket. And I was like, absolutely adorable. So we have over 2,000 members. You can get my exact entries, exits. Took a small loss on an ETH short. You always need to manage your risk here. But we made some juicy gains on, where is it? On Ethereum, on Matic, as well as Gala recently. $10 a month for my spot trades, my leverage trades. You can see how the members are doing with the trade calls as well as their own trade signals here, and over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. You can check out my full length tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.